For today's video, we want to cover a topic that's been in the news a lot recently, and that's hepatitis B, and just give the basics of this virus, which can sometimes be abbreviated as HBV. And the World Health Organization estimates that there's about 1.2 million new infections of hepatitis B virus each year. And unlike some of the other viruses that I've talked about in the past that can only survive outside of the body from minutes to hours, hepatitis B virus is quite strong or hardy, as it can survive outside of the body for about a week. And it's transmitted from an infected individual to a non-infected individual through bodily fluids. So that can be things like blood or semen. And most commonly, this happens through the sharing of needles, unprotected sex, or if a mother has a chronic hepatitis B infection, as they give birth, the baby can come in contact with fluids as well as blood as it's leaving the birth canal, leading to an infection. Now, infections can be acute, meaning that an individual would be able to fight it off and then have some immunity to fight off a future hepatitis B infection in the future. However, they can also be chronic, meaning that an individual would have the hepatitis B virus living inside of their liver cells for the rest of their life. And this can lead to some serious conditions such as liver disease, cirrhosis, liver failure, and liver cancer. Now, in order to prevent a hepatitis B virus, there is a series of 2 to 3 vaccines that can be given, which provides lifelong protection for most individuals. However, if an individual does not get the vaccine, they can be tested for hepatitis B virus in a blood test. Additionally, management of an individual who has a chronic hepatitis B condition is primarily going to focus on symptom management and keeping that liver as healthy as possible. However, if an individual does go into liver failure, a liver transplant would be necessary. So make sure to stay connected to my channel and with Dane Garvin, and drop a comment below on any topic that you want to learn more about.